How to set up the dragon to speed fireball.
Guys, do not forget to take the fireball object and to put it inside the prefabs. In that manner, you will create a fireball prefab. So guys, now you can delete this fireball game object from the scene, and let's try to finish our code. I mean the fireball zone code. Whenever the player enters inside the fireball zone, the dragon must speed some fireball. So let's code that, guys. From the dragon script, let's create two public variable. The first one is game object type. This is the fireball, I mean the prefab that we saved earlier. The second one is type transform. Actually, this is the fireball starting point. I mean the mouth of the dragon from where the dragon will spit the fireball. So guys, let's create two new public variables to be visible from the Unity interface. Those two variables has the same type, which is float. The first one will be the fire rate, I mean the quantity of fire per second, let's say that. And the second one is a kind of delay between two fireballs spitted by the mouth of the dragon. So guys, let's initialize those two variables from the start method. So let's take for the fire rate the value of 1, and for the campfire, also I mean the delay, let's put 0 for instance. Then guys, let's create a new method. It is called the shoot method. The shoot method must be called inside the onTrigger stay method. I mean until the player stay inside the fireball zone, we must call the shoot method. So let's try to figure out this shoot method. So the shoot method means that we must create, if you remember, to create something we have to use the instantiate method. We must create fireball from the fireball starting point. So this is the first step. But guys, we cannot create in a random way. We have to fix some condition. This is why we write a if statement. So guys, let's try to figure out this condition, I mean the if statement. So guys, at the beginning, the time variable is the time from the moment the game starts. So if this time variable, guys, is bigger than campfire, which is right, because the campfire variable is equal to 0 at the beginning. So this condition is true at the beginning. We must create a fireball from the mouth of the dragon. This is the instantiate method. Then guys, we don't want that this condition is true. This is why we must find out a solution to make this campfire bigger than the time variable. In that manner, the fireball will not be spitted from the mouth of the dragon. So how to make the campfire bigger than the time variable? You just need to add the fire rates. And if you remember, at the beginning, the fire rate was set up to 1. So this condition is true whenever we spit for the first time. So then, guys, after a certain delay of time, this variable will be bigger than this one, and we will create a new fireball and so on, guys. So all those lines of code help us to set up a delay between two fireball spitted. So guys, let's save our dragon's script. Let's return to Unity. Then guys, inside the fireball zone, let's select the dragon script and let's fill up those two boxes. So for the fireball, you have to choose the prefab that we have created, this one. Let's put it here. And for the fireball starting point, if you remember, this is this game object, so take it and put it inside. So guys, whenever the player enters inside the fireball zone, so the dragon must spit the fireball, so everything is good, guys, because whenever you open the mouth, each time he send a fireball in the direction of the player. So guys, the next step now is to reduce the health of the player when he's touched by those fireball. Let's see in the next video, guys.
Guys, to control the amount of fireball spitted, you must first create two variables. The fire rate, which must be equal to 1 to initialize, and the can fire must be initialized to 0. Second, you must create a shoot method, and inside this shoot method you have to type those lines of code. The main purpose, guys, is to use the time variable to manage the delay between two fireball spitted by the dragon from the starting point.